I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone has power and a stable connection. This prevents interruptions. Once done, backup photos and app data to a cloud or PC because wiping caches can risk transient files. Next, open Settings and view Storage and About Phone to note Android version and free space. These checks let you choose the safest removal path and make sure you can restore anything if needed. Do not skip this step. You now tackle the middle and more technical steps. First, clear cached data from storage. This often frees hidden space tied to system processes. Then, identify large pre-installed or third-party apps and uninstall or disable them to reduce system or other usage. If the warning persists, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. Safe mode isolates system processes, so once in safe mode you can uninstall offending apps safely. You finish with advanced options and a key tip. If you're comfortable, connect via ADB to list large files and remove orphaned logs or temp files. That's precise and powerful. If problems continue, perform a factory reset after confirming your backup because that restores storage bookkeeping. Make sure to restore selectively. Troubleshooting tip: if storage still misreports, clear media storage data and reboot so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.